in Richard and Nancy's kitchen with the Fat Chefs.
Today we're going to make fresh tomato sauce. The ingredients you will need are pasta, salt, pepper, dried chili flakes, garlic, Parmesan cheese, shallots, basil, tomatoes, and Del Campo's olive oil. First we take the tomatoes. These are at the end of their shelf life. Time to use them up. A coarse chop. We use shallots. I like the flavor, but onions will work. A small dice. Next, fresh basil from the herb garden. Tear it up. Of course, Del Campo's olive oil. You pour it into the pan. Add your shallots. Spread them around. Cook till tender. Add your garlic. Stir it in. Make sure you don't burn it. It will make your sauce bitter. Next, chili flakes to taste, or you can leave them out. Salt. Now add the tomatoes. Mix thoroughly. I like to season in layers. Using a fork, I start smashing the tomatoes. You could tell when it's cooked by how easily the fork goes through the tomatoes. Move them to the center and keep smashing. Once you get them into a chunky sauce, let it simmer. While it's cooking, time to cook the pasta. First you fill your pot with water. Set it on the stove, put on the lid, and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, add salt, then you add your pasta. A quick stir. Bring it back to a boil. Cooking time is on the package. You want it al dente. Next, drain the water. Do not rinse it. You want to keep the starch on the pasta. Put the pasta in a bowl. Add a little olive oil and garlic and salt to taste. Mix thoroughly, then set it aside. Well, back to the sauce. We made more than we needed for this dish, so remove a little and freeze it for later. Add a little fresh basil. Then add the pasta. You want to mix in the sauce. Bring it up from the bottom to coat the pasta. You can add a little more basil just before you serve, then plate. Add a little Parmesan and enjoy.
If you want to see more, go to our website at www.fatchefrestaurantguide.com.